tub liner measuring tool and how to measure a tub liner properly. First measurement on our sheet, measurement 1. Measure rail at center. Very simple. You put the tape measure on the inside, slightly past the radius. You're going to look straight down to the floor, and that is 3.5 inches wide. I'm going to put that on line 1, 3.5. Rail measurement from the floor. That would be measurement number 2. You need to use a straight edge for this to get an appropriate measurement. As you can see, I've set it across, this giving me a point to the floor. There it is right there. That is 16 3/4 of an inch. Overall width, tile to tile. That would be from nail flange to nail flange across the back wall. In this case, it's 59 inches because there is no wall material. This measurement is going to vary depending on what type of wall material you're measuring off of. Normally, you're going to be about 58 inches. They're asking for the, line 4 is asking for the drain depth 1 inch behind the flange. Your flange would be where this hole is. You're going to measure back 1 inch. Make sure that your measuring tool is lined up properly. Measure straight down from there. That is 14.5 inches. You have middle depth 20 inches behind the flange. Well, that's 20 inches. I'm going to move my straight edge back to the 20-inch mark, look straight down, make sure that I'm lined up with that appropriately. That is 13 5/8 of an inch. They want the same measurement, 35 inches back. That's going to be roughly right there. Checking to make sure that that's lined up. It's close enough. That is 13 3/8. Can you get that done? Next one is the middle width behind the drain below the radius. They're speaking directly about the radius of the tub right here, so we want to make sure that our measurement is just below that. With a cast iron tub, the radius is quite large, so make sure that you're on the flat portion of the tub before you do your measurement. You would, of course, measure back your 20 inches. Off of your nail flange. You're going to set this at the 20-inch mark. As you can see, if I measure too low and then I bring it up, it changes it to almost 1/2 inch off. You want to make sure you're just below the radius, which is what they're calling for. There's that. So now you have to look at this tool. Shows you that it's 19 inches. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 1/4. So it is 24 1/4 inches. They're asking for the same dimension, 3 inches off the belly. That is where the measuring tool comes into play. You are 20 inches